Amazon is deleting thousands of low-quality AI accounts right now. If you're copying raw ChatGPT text into a Canva template and uploading it, you are next. But there is a smarter play. I focus on ghost niches, markets with desperate buyers and weak competition. Instead of flooding Amazon with generic journals, I build premium problem-solving books. Amazon actually promotes these instead of banning them. Today, I will show you how to identify these gaps before the niche gets crowded and how to build the book the right way from day one. You have seen the income screenshots, 5,000, 10,000 per month. But for every one of those, there are thousands of accounts making zero. Why? Because they are guessing. They build what they like, they upload, they hope. Hope is not a business model. To win on Amazon, you have to do what 99% of people skip: data-driven research. We need to find the gaps in the market first, then build the solution. To do this, I use Manus 1.6 Max. This is the only AI agent I've found that can conduct deep market research and design a bestseller quality journal in minutes. If you want to follow along, check the link in the description. You will get 1,000 free credits to test the process yourself. Now, watch this carefully. I open Manus, you see 3 modes: light, regular, max. For deep research that finishes the job, you go with max. This architecture gives the AI 30% more persistence. It does not quit halfway through. It keeps digging until it finds the data. So here is the exact prompt I'm using to find the gap. Research Amazon KDP best-selling journals in health and wellness. Find the top-selling journal types, common features that convert, niches with high demand but low competition, and best price points. Focus on weight loss and fitness journals. Let's see what the market wants. All right, Manus analyzed the KDP market. It filtered out the crowded markets and found the gaps, areas with high demand but low competition. The shortlist included senior fitness, specific diets, and women's recovery. I compared them all, but I focused on one key factor: urgency. That is why postpartum weight loss and recovery is the winner. The first 90 days after birth are critical. New moms want safe recovery, habit tracking, and structure to feel stable again. A generic fitness journal just doesn't work for this phase. They need something built specifically for them. And look at the numbers. The AI found fewer than 1,000 competing products in this niche. Compare that to generic fitness journals, which have over 30,000 competitors. That is a massive difference. Manus recommends a 90-day transformation format to match the 4th trimester. It also suggests pricing it at $14.99. That is a premium price, but because we're solving an emotional problem, not just selling a notebook, people will happily pay it. New mothers are actively searching for guidance, yet almost no products address their specific needs. That gap is where the profit is. The research just handed us the winning idea. Now, let's create it. I'm starting a new task in Manus and clicking on Design. This activates the latest Nano Banana Pro model, which is their advanced visual engine. I'm telling it, create a complete 90-day postpartum weight loss and recovery journal for Amazon KDP. Now, for a real printed book, I would normally generate about 108 pages, but for this video, I'm going to set it to 21 pages, just so I can show you the variety quickly. Let's hit Generate. And look at this, it's creating the entire journal from scratch. First, the cover design, clean, motivating, with a soft feminine aesthetic. Then look at the interior. It starts with an About Me page where the mom can fill in her name, the baby's name, and the birth date. Next, it built a 90-day goals section. It has a starting point for current stats and a dedicated placeholder to attach a before picture so they can visualize their transformation. It's not just blank lines either. We have daily tracker pages, weekly reflection sections, and full end-of-month reviews. It even added niche-specific value, nursing-friendly workouts, recovery milestones, and motivational quotes throughout. And at the very end, a certificate of completion celebrates finishing the 90-day journey. Honestly, I am speechless. I know how hard it is to design layouts like this manually. It usually takes days of formatting, layout design, typography, page structure, visual consistency across 108 pages. The AI just did it in under 8 minutes. This is the new design view. It's not just a preview window, it's your command center. Most AI tools just spit out an image and say, good luck. Here, I have full control. If I want to change colors, move things around, or fix the text, I do it right here. Let me show you an example. I want to change the text on this cover. I just click Edit Text, type what I want, and it changes instantly. I can also upscale the quality or remove backgrounds with one click. But look at this cover art. The gold lines are nice, but for a premium journal, I want something more emotional. I want a custom piece of art. So watch this. I select the Mark tool and highlight the image area right here on the canvas. It adds it to the prompt box, and I'm going to tell the AI exactly what I want. Soft watercolor illustration of a mother gently holding a newborn baby, ethereal style, pastel pinks and gold accents, dreamy and emotional, high resolution. Hit generate, and boom! Look at that difference. It instantly took the design from basic to bestseller quality. It's the same process for anything: colors, fonts, images. Once you are happy, you just download it to your computer. This file is ready to upload to Amazon KDP right now. Now, if you are new to Amazon KDP and don't know how to set up an account or upload files, don't worry. I have a full, free tutorial linked in the description. It covers everything you need to start. So that's a complete professional journal ready to sell on Amazon KDP. We researched a ghost niche with real demand. We created a premium solution that solves actual problems. We didn't spam low-quality content. We built something Amazon wants to promote. That's the difference between getting banned and getting paid. Look, I'm going to be honest with you. I could have hidden this behind a paywall. Most creators would, but I'd rather see you succeed than protect some secret. When you win, you come back, you engage, you build a real business. That's worth more to me than a $97 course sale. So here's my ask. Don't let this video collect dust in your watch later playlist. Pick one niche, build one book, upload it this week. You watched this far. That means you're serious. Now prove it. God bless you. See you in the next one.